Good afternoon, staff, families, board members, and friends of the New England Center for Children. Today I'd like to update you on how NECC is currently responding to the COVID-19 crisis. And this may be our last message for a few weeks as some of us go on vacation. I'd first like to congratulate and thank our community, especially our hardworking staff, for their preventive efforts both at home and at work to reduce the spread of COVID. Everyone has been incredibly disciplined. Our staff and students have been COVID-free for 5 weeks now. Although that can change at any time, everybody deserves a lot of credit for their discipline. In line with Governor Baker's reopening plans, we've started to slowly open up our main facility. We're currently at 50% capacity across the school and have implemented a variety of safety and tracking measures to prevent the spread of COVID going forward. Our maintenance crew continues to sanitize shared spaces and highly touched surfaces on a frequent basis. Recently, we installed ultraviolet lights throughout our HVAC system on our main campus to ensure that the air is free from any airborne contaminants and viruses. Next week, in-person day services for our IIP students will start at the central facility. I urge all day services families to keep a close eye on all communications from NECC as we reopen, and we ask for your continued patience and compliance with our new policies and screening measures. Additionally, following Governor Baker's anticipated announcement that Massachusetts will enter Phase 3 of the state's reopening plan, residential parents and guardians will have the opportunity to schedule home visits with their children. Again, this is an ever-changing situation, and we encourage all families to be patient while we wait for additional guidance from the governor. As Massachusetts and the surrounding states start to reopen, I urge all members of our community to remain vigilant. Although we're all eager to travel and to hang out with friends, we need to remain cautious. As we have seen in the south and west of the United States, carelessness leads to catastrophic results. We would like to avoid following in their footsteps. I encourage everyone to apply the science that has made us so successful throughout this pandemic. Practice good hygiene, wear a mask, avoid large gatherings, practice social distancing, and please stay at home as much as possible. As we continue to work through the ever-changing landscape of dealing with a global pandemic, we are taking proactive steps to plan for a second wave of COVID in the fall. We're continuing to collect and purchase personal protective equipment. If you or someone you know has a connection to a supplier, please reach out to Jared Bozan, our Chief Development Officer, at jbozan@necc.org. That's jbozan, B-O-U-Z-A-N, at necc.org. Your help is very much appreciated in the continued fight against COVID-19. I thank everyone for their continued patience and vigilance during this uncertain time. Hope everyone has a safe and healthy holiday weekend. Thank you so much. #Team NECC.